Hello, so in this short video, I want to quickly show you how you can use the conditional logic feature of Fluent Forms. Actually, this is an amazing feature. You can use it for different scenarios. Maybe if you want to make your form looks shorter, and maybe if you want to just show and hide a specific question or field depending on the status or the option the contact who's completing the form chooses. Let me show you an example. Let's say that we have a form that includes like two questions. One of them is like this is part of a translation quotation form, which is my another specialization. So I'm asking clients what actually they want to translate, a document or a website. If they choose a website, another field that is asking them for their website URL will appear. But if they choose to translate the document, a totally different field asking them to upload their document will appear. So the show and hide status of the field itself will depend on will depend on their answer for this first question. The same applies for this question. Maybe this is like a job application form and you're asking people what job they are applying for. If they choose to apply for a project manager, then you can ask them specifically to describe their project management previous achievements. If they choose a sales to be applying for a sales specialist, you can show another field about asking them to describe their previous sales achievements. The conditional logic feature is a very powerful one. I mean, there are a ton of scenarios that you can use it for. So let me show you how you can actually use it while you are editing your forms using Fluent Forms. So this is the Fluent Forms editor. You can set the conditional logic inside the editor field itself. So we have this field which is asking people what type of content they want to translate. And here we can add these two fields. One that will be shown if they choose to translate a document, and another will be shown if they choose to translate a website. So to set the conditional logic, we need to choose this field, and down here we need to go to the advanced features, okay, advanced options, sorry, and then we find the condition match, which can be used like conditional logic. So it is very basic or simple to be used. You just choose any. And here you need to choose the field. So I'm connecting this upload your document field with the what you want to translate. And then it needs to equal a document. Okay, so this will only appear if the client chooses document. The same applies for the website URL. Inside advanced options, I'm choosing this one equals website. So only the required field will appear. The same happens in the job application form. I mean, there are a ton of scenarios. Maybe you are asking people which country they want to visit. Okay, you can just ask them about the landmarks they want to visit, or you can set like 5 to 7 landmarks of this specific country that they like to visit to choose from. So you can prepare a visit plan for them. Okay, so there are many scenarios that you can use the conditional logic feature of Fluent Forms. So that's it. In the next video, I will try to explain the conditional logic in another form plugin that I really like, which is SureForm. So if you like to watch the other video and all my previous or coming videos, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.